Have you ever captured the perfect photo only to realize it's blurry, pixelated, or ruined by bad lighting? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn those blurry, low-res photos into stunning, crystal-clear 4K masterpieces in just one click, using Artguru AI. First, head over to artguru AI. The interface is clean and incredibly easy to navigate. To get started, you just upload your image to their photo enhancer tool. With their advanced AI, the platform automatically removes noise, recovers lost details, and upgrades your low-res images straight to 4K quality. What's really cool is their multi-face enhancement feature. If you're uploading a group photo, the AI makes sure every single face looks sharp, natural, and perfectly detailed, instead of distorted. But Artguru does a lot more than just basic photo fixes. If you need something even larger, they offer an 8K image upscaler that is perfect for posters, merchandise, or high-quality prints. They also feature an old photo restorer that automatically removes scratches, creases, and spots from faded family memories, as well as tools to sharpen blurry video frames and clean up pixelated PDF documents. Once the AI finishes processing your file in just a few seconds, you can download your high-res image or seamlessly continue editing by removing backgrounds and erasing unwanted objects without ever leaving the website. Now, to keep it completely honest with you guys, we searched for independent third-party user reviews online and couldn't find a large database of customer feedback or ratings for Artguru just yet. However, looking at the features, the major pros are definitely the sheer speed of the one-click processing, the impressive 4K and 8K upscaling limits, and the convenience of having photo, video, and text enhancers all under one roof. On the downside, as with any web-based AI tool, your final result will always depend on how much usable detail the AI can read from your original file. Overall, if you need a quick, hassle-free way to rescue a blurry photo or prep an image for print, Artguru AI is absolutely worth a look. Head over to artguru AI to test it out with your own photos. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy AI guides, and let me know in the comments how your photos turned out. See you in the next video.